How to log in to Instacart account. So if you want to log in to Instacart account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Instacart. And after searching, on the first search you will have www.instacart.com. You can simply click on that. Now it will take you to the web page or the website. So now to log into your account, you can go to login, which is on the upper right corner, and click on that. Now you can log in using your Google account, or you can also log in with your Facebook or your phone number. But if you have created your account using your email address, then you have to enter your email. And after entering your email, on the next blank you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have reset password option. You can simply click on reset it, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password and you can click on login. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can click on sign up, which is on the bottom of your screen. So after entering your information, click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your Instacart account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.